Good afternoon, this is Don from How To's and Reviews. Got a really good one coming up for you now. Stay tuned. Boom. Rode Wireless Go 2. I am super excited. Gonna do a quick unboxing of this. We'll start right now, get right into it. And I'm gonna tell you why I am super happy to see this in particular. So we'll go ahead and get that open. And what do we got? Alright, first things first. One, two, three USB-C cables. Put them aside. Got your regular TRS cable that comes with all the Rode wireless microphone setups. This guy will plug into the receiver and then go into the digital camera, or if you have an adapter for a GoPro or DJI Osmo. Instructions. What do we got now? Bag. Next thing, what do we got? Empty box. And look what we got here. So they give you an extra fuzzy. So this system, what's different is that we've got two transmitters, one receiver, and this is why I'm so excited. Put that down there. There's your receiver. And your second transmitter. First wireless receiver, USB-C, connection for a lavalier. You've got your microphone port and your on button. Same thing on this receiver. And you got your transmitter. On button. Different ways to change settings. USB-C and an audio source. So powering these bad boys up, you can see as I talk the sound levels going up and down. So that's the unboxing. Super excited to get these going. Can't wait to try them out. I'm a huge fan of the Wireless Go original series. That started me off with doing these YouTube videos and finally getting some good sound quality with them. Now that we've done the unboxing, let's do a quick test of the new version 1.6 firmware. So right now you're listening to my microphone on my iPhone. We'll go ahead and power this up. Again, this does not have to be connected to the receiver. And as of right now, this should be recording on the Wireless Go 2 onboard storage. Clip it on. And I wanted to thank you for guys watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions, like to see other videos. We're just getting this channel started and there's a lot more to come. Thanks again.